Hey, this is Jenny Jones. What I wanted to do was show you how do you get a little chat bot or a chat widget here installed on your Ezycourse landing page. Hey, if this is your first time to this channel, I'm always doing these different hacks and showing you how to increase your bottom line in your particular business and trying to grow using these digital tools. Now, we've spoken about Ezycourse in the past, and if you need a link to that, listen, Ezycourse is probably one of the most powerful learning management systems I have seen come along in a while, and I own a lot and have seen a lot of them. But for those of you who are familiar with it, I do have a full playlist here of different types of setups and how you can become familiar with it. But if you are familiar with it and you want to add a chat box or a chat widget here, let me go ahead and show you that and show it how it shows up in your particular school or your academy. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look over to my desktop. Okay, so now once you get into the back area of your actual Ezycourse, for this particular one, I have the white label version. So this is my brand, my consulting brand, but I can access my individual academies from here. And so this is one of my individual academies that I have here. And so your primary home or whichever one you're using for your home, this is, again, my page type, this is my home. So it's different. When you click on build, that's where you make the edits to your actual page and the aesthetics and the pictures and the text. But in order to add your academy, not to add your academy, but in order to add your chat widget or function of that type, you have to click into edit. Edit allows you to change your search engine optimization. It allows you to change what type of menu setting, and it also allows you to put in your script for your header and your footer. So let's take a look at that. So once you get inside your the edit page, you can change the page info, the search engine optimization area, how it appears in search engines, and then what you're going to do is then you can do your price settings where you can charge people access to actually get to your actual academy. But we're not going to concentrate there. We're going to just lock in on the scripts. This particular script has told me for this particular chat widget, it says, hey, enter. And most chat widgets want you to enter it into the footer script. So the only thing I did was I copied and I pasted the footer script into here, and I hit save, and then I hit refresh. And then that's how you get that actual, that's how you get, when you come here and you see it, that's what you get. And that's how you get this chat widget here. All right. And so my particular chat widget, I'm going to change it a little bit. A lot of people say, hey, why is everything in black and white? I says, listen, when I'm teaching, I keep things black and white. It's no blurred lines. You actually see when I'm teaching. So, and so what they'll do is they'll click here and they'll start chatting. I don't have any of those other AI chat bots and all of that. I kind of just like the tried and true. What I like about this particular chat widget is it notifies me on my cell phone that someone's trying to reach me and or trying to ask or inquire about my academy. So that's what I love about this particular one that I'm using. I don't know if there's an affiliate link for this one or not, but I will put the affiliate link in there for Ezycourse. And I'll probably, if you haven't seen already, I've kind of walked people through it. I've created the custom menus here. I have home, I have all solutions, live workshops, video library, creator bio, and so on and so forth. My help link goes to a separate setup. And I'll probably, if you want to see me do how I set up my help screen, just notify me below, just to leave a comment and just let me know. Anything you want me to see me do particular for Ezycourse, go ahead and let me know, and then I will try to put a video together for you in between me creating my new courses. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Hey, the digital marketing tool shed. Hey, let me know if I can assist you in any way. Alrighty, you guys have been great. Thank you. Until next time, goodbye for now.